Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. The box that we have for this video is a fairly new one. I have only received one other box from this one before, and this is the Target beauty box. This one is not a subscription. It is just a monthly beauty box that they release out, every month. So for this one, you don't subscribe to it. You go on their website. Once you buy it the first time, that's actually what happened to me for the second one. But once you go and you purchase it the first time, they're gonna ask you for an email, to complete your transaction. And then what they do, or what they did for this one, is that they send me an email letting me know, like, hey, just FYI, we have already released, or we already have our beauty box for this current month. So then all you have to do is you go in, you put it in your cart, you check out, and then they ship it to you. So that is what we have here. And I paid $7 plus tax for this box. I believe you're supposed to get 7 items. The last box, I was a little bit confused because I was not sure if they counted the box as an item, because it's actually a pretty cute box. This is what the box looks like. And it only has beauty on here, so you can reuse this box for so many other things. You can use it for storage, you can give it away, you can do a lot with it. So let's go in and see what we have for this month. Remember, I only paid $7 for this. Last time I thought it was worth it. Let's see what it is for this month. First, let me see. I see a few things here. I'm not sure what to start with. The first one here, it is from Dove, and it is the first, oh wait, never mind. It's a, wait, that's weird. Okay, let me tell you what I'm seeing here. So it's from Dove. There's a picture of a deodorant here. So I'm assuming it's a deodorant sample, but the sample is just a little thing here. So are you supposed to put it on with your fingers? I don't know. It is in the scent Rose Silk, and yeah, I mean, it's a deodorant sample that you're probably gonna have to put on with your fingers. So I don't know if this is considered one item or if this is just a sample. So let's keep going in and see what else we have. Okay, so I'll grab this one next, and I am super excited because I need more of these. Now I don't have to go out and buy any. So these are nail files from the brand Trim, and they're called salon boards. They are pink. That is what our packaging looks like there. Pretty cool. I think it's a set, so there's 2 in here, and I mean, I would give this a value of at least $2. So $2 here, I say. Up next, we have a little shampoo conditioner duo from Tresemme, and it is the low lather shampoo and a conditioner. That is what that looks like there. And this is really cool because I just recently started using shampoos like this. These are sulfate free. That's supposed to be really good for your hair. So usually sulfates, I think those are what strip your hair from its natural oils. So using shampoos like this is actually really good for your hair. So this is another item that we have in here. Then we are going to go to the next one, and we have a facial mask. This is from Miss Spa, and it is a hydrating facial sheet mask. That is what our package looks like there. And you do only get one, but I mean, that's fine. We only paid $7 for this box, so I think that's actually really awesome. One thing in here that I'm also really excited about, that I know for sure has a value of about $5. We have a razor. I like to use these type of razors. I do have really sensitive skin, and I think that this is what it looks like. So it has the soap around the blades, and it helps with my skin not getting any type of irritation. So these are really, really good. Usually the pack that you buy at the store, you get a whole complete set like this. It has a blade and a soap in here, and you get an extra one. That in stores is usually $10. So you're getting this one here. So it's the handle with one up here in our box. I would, say it's about a $10 value that we got in here. So this one was actually our last item from our box. We are left with our little pamphlet. Doesn't give us any retail prices for anything, but honestly, for $7, I think this was a really, really good box. Even if this was counted as an item in here, I think what gives the box the value is our razor and our salon boards. These two together, I think, are worth more than the $7 we paid for the box. So then we just have our extra items here. That is all for our box, for our Target Beauty box for the month of September. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this is worth the $7 that we paid? Put it all down there. That is all for this box. So that is all from me for today. I will be back with another video pretty soon, and I hope I will see you guys next time. Bye.